Welcome to Holloway Automotive, Greenland's Mercedes-Benz dealer.
This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. A low odometer reading makes this vehicle a great value at this price. With a reliable engine driven by an automatic transmission, stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle information. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, power mirrors, power steering, and for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: passenger airbag, side airbag. Call today to schedule a test drive.
Visit Holloway Automotive today, located at 309 Portsmouth Avenue in Greenland, New Hampshire.